Alright guys, so we're on our way to Speedline right now. We're actually right down the street, gonna go pick up the car. It's been a while since I've got to drive the car. I mean, you guys have seen the updates that we've done in the previous videos. But we're actually gonna get the car back right now. It has a new tune. N2MB Wot Box should be installed properly now. So everything should be good to go. We're about to roll up right now. I got Lucio too as well. He's gonna be driving the 2-valve back. But yeah, we'll catch you guys in a bit.
Honestly, I freaking miss it so much. It's good to have it back. It's running really smooth. I like how the shifts are on point now, and everything too as well. Everything's like running smooth. It's probably just because I haven't driven it in a while, but holy crap, I miss it. I'm not sure if it's just because I've driven the car or I haven't driven the car in such a long time. It feels completely insane. Like now, fourth gear picks up a lot more than I was expecting right there. I did 2 pulls. Sadly, I forgot I hit record on the GoPro, but I believe we caught one of them on the camera. Lucio was in the 2-valve, so hopefully we caught a pass on the camera. If not, we'll probably throw it in here right now or something. But yeah, we're gonna make a quick Starbucks run because you guys know we gotta do it for the vlog. Make a quick Starbucks on our way back.
What's up, guys? This is Lucio. So the car's running good, sounds good. You guys can hear it from right here. This guy's just punching it everywhere. He's so happy with this car now. He just doesn't want to stop. See? He's all excited about it, which, I mean, who wouldn't be? Alex, take notes, Alex. Take notes, Alex. Take notes, Alex. Just watch. That guy right there, hella buff.
Alright guys, so we got our Starbucks now. Hopefully you guys can hear me over the car. He's got a strawberry, acai, whatever that bullshit is. Don't lose sight. It's just a 6. Hope you guys like and enjoy the video. It's a little short video, just us getting the car back, but hope you guys like and enjoy. We're trying to push out a lot more content for you guys. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Catch you guys in the next one.
But this will work for you to race. So pretty much.
Yeah, I don't even need it when to help hold the clutch in. I don't need I fucking love it. It's fucking dope. Gunshots!
There you go.
What the heck is that?
A van truck. Oh, too far.
You guys already know we gotta do it for the vlog. I know I already did the outro in the previous clip, but we're actually gonna make this into one big old clip so that way you guys have some good content. We got the 2-step working. I believe the next video we're gonna be doing, but I have a little bit more free time. We're gonna get some reactions out of it. I mean, we're already playing around a little bit as it is. One of the things that we have to control is we're gonna have to control ourselves with it. I know since I haven't had my car for a while, so I'm playing around with it right now today, like a lot more than I'm supposed to. But yeah, we'll calm down with it, but we're gonna get some reactions out of it. I want to get some good reaction videos and see what we can do, scare some people. Who knows? But stick around to that, guys. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. We got the Starbucks already for the vlog. So yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next one. You're zooming in my face.